What all is a surviving spouse responsible for while living in the homestead? The surviving spouse in this instance would be the life tenant if they're going to be living in the property for the rest of their life. And Florida statute 738 or section 738.801 specifically says what the life tenant is responsible for and what the remaindermen, which would be most likely the children who would be taking the property after the life tenant passes away, what they're responsible for. So the life tenant, or the spouse in this instance, is responsible for all ordinary repairs and anything associated with the maintenance, upkeep, and the preservation of the property. They also would have to be paying the interest on any loan associated with the property, so like the interest on a mortgage. The life tenant also pays for insurance premiums related to any loss that could occur on the property. This could be loss of the property itself or loss of income. The other thing that the life tenant would have to pay is any other expenses that are directly related to the life tenant's use of the property. Now, as far as the remaindermen are concerned, they are going to have to pay the principal of any loan that the property is securing, so the principal on the mortgage. They would also have to pay for any certain actions that would relate to the title, certain, if there's a cause of action related to the title of the property, that would typically be a responsibility of the remaindermen. The remainderman also pays for any extraordinary repairs on the property, which the statute doesn't help much in defining what's considered ordinary to be paid by the life tenant versus what's extraordinary, but that is the breakdown. The life tenant pays for ordinary expenses related to ordinary repairs, whereas if there's an extraordinary repair, that would be paid by the remainderman. And then finally, if there is some type of an environmental action against the property, that would typically also be the expense of the remainderman, not the life tenant. And again, these can be found under the Florida statutes, section 738.801. I hope this helps. And if you're in Florida and you have any questions regarding anything related to life tenancy, estate planning, elder law, or probate, please contact our office at atCauselawoffice. The link is in my bio.